to show you how to use Pabbly Connect and do your first automation. So this is the Pabbly Connect dashboard. So I'm creating a new workflow. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new workflow. This is a new beta version by Pabbly. It is free to use. 100 tasks they have provided for free. And if you take unlimited plan, you can get unlimited task. So Google Form to swipe one, because whenever I get a lead, I want to add it to my email automation platform. Swipe one email automation, and my CRM is the swipe one. So I'm creating a feedback form. This is Google form. Anyone can use for free, and use you can use for data collection purpose. And just now added a new questions. So I'm adding the email, and these are the questions. So as soon as we get the number, name, email, phone number, and I'm asking a feedback of my automation WhatsApp automation service. So as soon as we get the email, I'm just going to uh, send it to Swipe One software using Pabbly. So this is the link of my feedback form. So I'm setting up a free done for you instant lead automation for WhatsApp. So in case you require, you can use that as well. So from all lead sources, I can able to set up WhatsApp automation. So this is very helpful for you and your team members. So this I'm doing for testimonial collection. So I like the once we get the responses will collect over here. So I'm creating a new Google Sheet. So this is the Google Sheet. So now we have to add the Pabbly tool to set up the automation. Go to extension, click on the add-ons, get new add-on. So this is a tutorial for people who don't know how to use Pabbly Connect software and how to set up the automations. So automations will save time, reduce the errors, help you save money as well. Uh, but by and also complete the task faster than humans. So let me search for Pabbly Connect webhooks. So as soon as a new lead or data collected, a new row added, we have to send to the Pabbly. So for doing that, we are using a webhook. So webhook is like years of any software. So as soon as any software receives the data, useful tool, useful extension where you can use for multiple purpose as well. If here you can be able to connect. Here you have to set up the initial setup, and you have to add the webhook URL. So let's go to trigger. First trigger is a webhook trigger. So this is the first trigger. So to add this, I have set up the pre-automation task. So I'm just creating the setting up the webhook trigger. Due to my low internet, it's loading. It's a free task. So what I want is I want to catch the details. So this is the URL given by Pabbly, which we need to add it in the Google Sheet. Google Sheet is an online collaborative tool, easy to manage. So now everyone is using Google Sheet. C, D, E, F. Let me check the E. So every time whenever the full row E column is filled, the data will be triggering. Go to extension, click on the Pabbly Connect webbook, initial setup. First we have to set up the trigger. So then we can send on events. So I'm setting up the webbook URL. Then I'm setting up the trigger column E, send test. So we have to click capture webbook response and then we have to click send test. Actually, sorry, I mistakenly closed. I will go to the sheet and do it again. I also suggest you to try the same automation or any simple automation uh, where you connect two software and set up a task automation so you can able to easily do these automations. So this is my Google Sheet. Click on the extensions. Inside the extensions you can click on the Pabbly Connect book, initial setup. So if we set up the initial setup, then all leads will go from to this webbook URL. As I said, webbook is like a years. So so every time whenever we get the data, we are sending to this URL. So this test data it will capture now. You can see this is the test data we capture. Once we capture the, we have to click submit. Then only this webbook URL will get activated. Once we activated the webbook URL, we have to instruct to the Pabbly Connect webbook extension that every row gets added, you send on event. There are other options. In case you have already a list of 100 people or 200, you can use send data. So it will send all data. If you want to send only 30 rows, you can send custom data. You can also auto send based on schedule. So next time if I fill again, it will come back. Pabbly will come to know what is the data. So this is the Pabbly Connect data. The next stage is we have set up the trigger. Now we have to, after we set up the trigger, we have to add the connections. So response is captured. So this is once you click the plus icon. So here you can search whichever the software you want. Already 2000 plus apps are already there. So swipe on. So this is the software. I want to create a new contact and manage it. So this is how you have to authenticate. So Vijay. So I'm going to the swipe one. This is a like email marketing software. So I'm just going to the apps. I'm connecting the Pabbly as a software. Clicking connecting. So we have to generate the API key. So I'm creating a key. So key is generated. So I'll definitely going to delete this key. This is just for testing purpose. So save. So basically now I'm connecting my swipe one software to Pabbly Connect, and this is the software I already connected. This is how you can connect any software whichever you wanted. Now I have to map the fields. So there are so many fields already here. I want to map with name, email, and mobile number. So I'm just checking the email full name. So here I will map the by selecting the, by sending the, adding the arrow mark. I am adding the name. So name is added. Then I want to add the email ID. So these are the fields I already have. So that's why I'm able to. Now I'll add the mobile number. Let me add the email as well. Email and here is the email. So these are the video. So I want to add the feedback as well. So I will add the feedback over. Currently, I didn't create the header inside the swipe on. Once I create it, I can able to map it. And for uh, feed demo purpose, I will add it to a different column. In the people column, I am adding it. What was the feedback? Their feedback. So this was the feedback, which is response. Once I added, I have to click save and send test request. So now we'll come to know success, which means that automation is working. I will show you. See, this is the new email ID which is added now. Maybe due to network issue, it's loading slowly. So by clicking my name, we can see all the details. I'm so I'll so best service for free. So this data we can see over here now. See, very soon, very fast, instantly we got the data. New contact is added. If I have to do manually, it will take time every time, but now it is on automation. So this is how we can save the task and time. If you like to take Pabbly, you can use through my link, affiliate link, then you can get some free help on setting up your automation. Thank you. I will share this workflow. There is no videos of swipe one. This is a new software. Thank you for watching.